properties and categories. I'm writing the text file only. First, there are different categories are there. One is background category. Second one is dimensions category. Third one is margins. Fourth one is padding. Fifth one is border. Sixth one is text. Seventh one is font. Eighth one is text font. Eighth one is classification and the positioning. Ninth one is table. 10th one is page. 11th one is link, list. Transitions and transforms. Variables. Now, so first, how these things are. The file what I sent today onwards, today and tomorrow, there is a 2 sessions. After the 2 sessions, Saturday and then Sunday, completely go through the entire file. What are the properties? What are the values? How these elements are going to execute on that? How to work on this? First of all, I'm going to tell you the dimensions. On this process, I will tell you the box model first. Basic level box model. That is very, very important. In the box model, below properties are involved. One is dimensions. Second one is margin. Third one is padding. Fourth one is border. These things are involved. So coming to the dimensions. Width, height. It may be in the pixels, it may be in the percentage or VH. Other measurement types I'm going to discuss you. Second thing is margin. What is a margin? Space outside of the box. The priority will be top, right, bottom, and left. You can give the value. You can give value to all sides with one value, or else each side can be applied different value. What is a padding? Padding is inner empty space. inside the box. Okay. Space allotment, same as margin. Same as margin. Fourth thing, border. Okay. Border having 3 features. ఒకటి, so first one is size of the border. Size of the border. Okay. Size of the border and type of the border, and third thing is color of the border. These are the 3 things in the border. First, I am going to create this and I am going to explain you internal concept. Okay, I'm going to stop this. Again, I'm going to send you the once again